Toenail fungus is infamously stubborn, so when products like FungiCleaner Phrena pop up with big promises, it's natural to wonder, does this actually work or is it just another overhyped scam? Let's break it down. So FungiCleaner Phrena, often branded as Fungi Cleaner, is marketed as a topical nail fungus treatment that penetrates deep into the nail bed using natural anti-fungal ingredients like tea tree oil and oregano oil, plus vitamin E and copper peptides to kill fungus at the root and help nails grow back healthy. The brand suggests visible results within weeks and full recovery within months. Here's what stands out: early daily topical application, no pills or prescription needed. Some Trustpilot reviewers say they notice clearer nails and improvement after months of consistent use. Natural ingredients like tea tree and oregano oil do have some lab-level antifungal activity which can help mild cases. So for mild or early infection, Frena might help support improved nail appearance over time. But here's the truth most users don't hear. There are no published clinical trials proving this product actually cures nail fungus, and marketing claims aren't backed by medical science. Nail fungus is notoriously hard to treat because the fungus lives underneath thick keratin. Many topical treatments struggle to reach it deeply enough. Independent user reviews are mixed. Some say only mild improvement and significant results can take months or not happen at all, especially in severe infections. Many dermatologists still recommend medical grade or prescription treatments for stubborn fungal infections. So does FungiCleaner Phrena actually treat nail fungus? Not reliably as a standalone cure. It might improve nail appearance or help very mild cases, but there's no strong clinical proof it consistently eliminates fungus, especially in more advanced infections. If nail fungus is persistent or severe, you're better off consulting a healthcare professional for proven medical treatments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.